the President of the United States. So 8,000 mark, 75 points from here. That should hold out for the next couple of trading sessions at least.
Okay, Nigel, thanks very much for that. Well, on that note, we're going to wrap up this edition of Power Breakfast. We're going to leave you with what our Bullseye contestants are recommending this week, and Bazaar Morning Call will be up next after that short break.
My first stock call for the day will be a buy on Union Bank of India. One should buy the stock with a stop loss at 154 and a target of 162. My second pick will be a buy on IDBI. One should buy with a stop loss at 70.25 and with a target of 75. My third pick will be a sell on Titan. One should sell the stock with a stop loss at 310 and a target of 295. And my final stock pick will be a buy on Bank of India with a stop loss at 120 and a target of 128.
My first call is Mavana Sugars. The stock closed at 42 rupees. It could be bought for an intraday target of 45 and a stop loss of 38 is recommended on the stock. My second call would be Union Bank. The stock's closing price was 155. It could be bought for an intraday target of 160 and a stop loss of 149 is recommended on the stock. My third call would be Jubilant. The current market price of the stock is 628. It could be bought for an intraday target of 640 and a stop loss of 615 is recommended on the stock. My final call would be Radico Khaitan. The stock closed at 118 rupees. It could be bought for an intraday target of 122 and a stop loss of 114 is recommended on the stock.
Our first call would be a buy call on Engineers India for a target of 309, stop loss 270. Second buy would be on Reliance Capital for a target of 480, stop loss 414. Third call would be a buy call on Godrej Industries for a target of 414, stop loss 365. And fourth call would be a buy call on Just Dial for a target of 449, stop loss 375.